Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make repost public on TikTok. So all you have to do is go here directly on your TikTok application. So let's do that. It will lead you directly to your home page. Now the next thing you want to do is on the bottom part you will see profile. So tap there. On your profile you will see different sections here. So let's tap on repost section. That's the middle one with two arrows facing up and down. So there's our repost. Now what we're gonna do is to make it public, we're gonna tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right corner. So let's tap on it. Now settings and privacy. From here we're gonna tap on privacy. In interaction sections. So here basically if it's available to your country you will see repost option here. Now if you see on my post option, so now now if you'll see on now you'll see on my post now if you see on my repost option, there's just tap on that and set your repost public. And you can see I do not have repost option here because it's not available in my country now. What you can do is you can actually either report a problem asking for TikTok to give you this feature or wait for TikTok to actually access your country to have that option. Thanks for watching.